Hello again, my friends. Welcome to another video. Today we're reviewing and kind of demonstrating how to put in these drawer liners. So I got this off Amazon. Um, it's I think 24 or 28 inches wide by like 200 or something. So we're going to try to do all our drawers and stuff. We did this one already. It's just one solid piece, so it's really nice. The one we had in before, it was two shorter ones. We had to tape it together. It was always messed up. So got a couple in here so far, and yeah, it's just like a plastic, so it's super easy to clean. You take it out and wash it if you want to. No problems there. It looks really nice. I'm really happy with this color here. Got a couple in up here as well. And you know, with cabinets and stuff, they can get dirty, spill stuff on or whatever. So these are really, I really like it. It's like this kind of plastic. We did have a couple issues with cutting these ones since my drawers, they're bowed a little in the middle. So we measured the dimensions and cut it, and then had to kind of, because it's bows down in the middle, then we had to kind of round off the edges. So pretty easy to do though, as far as just getting these in here. So if you have a tape measure, you just want to measure the distance from one, and your cabinets should pretty much be squared. Most cabinets are done by like professionals. They're usually pretty well done. So so this one was 28 and a half by about 10 3/4. So what I like about this roll is it's like 28 inches wide, about, I think. So I can get two whole strips done out of there, because the other ones were thinner and I couldn't do it. So what we've been using to cut this with, so I've been measuring with this. I have a straight edge here. I'll get my dimensions. So the next one was going to be approximately, I believe, we've got a couple of cabinets I got to do about 28 inches long, but all the upper cabinets are 10 3/4. So I'm going to measure this from one side and just have something here to hold this down on the corner here. Run my tape measure over here and just mark one little dot at the 28 inch line, and then do the same on the other side. Just run it over and do the little dot. Now you need a kind of a long straight edge after you do that. So once you have your two dots for your measurement there, get your straight edge all lined up and over the dots, or right, you know, where the dots like right next to that, and then you run a line, run your pen up and down all those, so you have a nice straight line on there. Okay. What we were using, this is for like rotary. It's a rotary mat for like quilting with this razor blade. Works pretty good. I wish this was a little bit longer, then we could do it in one pass. This works good. So basically what we were doing is, once we got our line drawn, then we line this up on it, put our pad underneath, and run that razor right along that. Okay. Another thing you can do, if you do not have this, just go ahead and get yourself some scissors, and once you just cut down that line. So really like this stuff. It's you can kind of tell it's like pretty thick. It's not weak. This is like, I can't really scratch it with my nail. This is really good stuff there. Holds up. It's durable. So it's like a thick like plastic here. And you can wash it, take it off, just wipe it down. You're not really having to worry about. The other one I had before, it was kind of like a spongy one, and it was not real strong. You could tell. I mean, you could probably just rip it with your hands or whatever if you're, or a dish you put it on there. So some of the other ones you see in some drawers or whatever are kind of more spongy and don't really. This offers protection for your cabinets and stuff like that, and it's quite strong, and then you can just wash it off. So I guess I did kind of do a little bit of damage there. I mean, not like, maybe just altered that a little bit, but didn't like, had no chance of like cutting through it with my nail though or whatever. So this stuff's pretty durable. So that's kind of what I've been doing. The ones where the cabinet was kind of bowed in the middle, that was kind of tricky. So once we made it square, we cut it out square pretty much. And then we wound up, just because this middle was sunken in, the edges would be further here. And so we had to just kind of trim a little bit here on the edges towards the corners to make it fit in there. And then it was all more of kind of a rounded thing there. So, but if your cabinets are square, it's going to be a lot easier for you. And let's see how big this is. Let's see, this is 23 inches. I thought it was wider than that, so 23. But what I liked was that it was wide enough to where I could put, my other cabinets are 10.5, so I knew that I could get 2 strips out of one, and it's a long roll here, so I can get that all, I might have to do some more. Might have to get one more roll of this, but I'm really happy with this, guys. It works really well so far. I think it looks really nice too. It's nice. There's a couple comes in different colors, but I'm really impressed with this. Easy to work with and durable. And once you get it in there, it looks really good. I think definitely a lot better. We had a red and white checkered one in there before, and we're like, yeah. So here's the other side there. It's got this nice little pattern. And this is the flat part. So either way, you could put it in. We're putting this part down and this part up. So, all right, guys. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this product. I think you will be too. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.